everyone. Good morning. I would like to representing our own field of observation that was conducted at 9:57 until 10:16 about October or November on that time. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, is I would like to introduce our team. There is Rifda Nadia Aziza and me, Fatiha Najmi, and also Shakib bin Alam and Ansari Prodo Gain Taro. So the objective of this observation is to observe natural human behavior, to describe interactions between sellers, buyers, and visitors, to apply observation as a psychological assessment method conducted outside the classroom meeting setting. Observation setting, location, FEI canteen, and the second is public and natural environment. The third one's to the the settings also involving students, sellers, and visitors present. And lastly, its activities occur naturally without interference.
Wait, how many pages we had?
11?
So we had four, right?
Yes. So right now it's already sixth.
It's okay. The others can do the editing to us too. So, from here,
No,
right?
no, no. You can start.
Wait. From here, right?
Yeah, from here. You can start in three, two, one.
Okay. Now I will continue with the presentation. The observation method we used was like a non-participant observation. We just went there in the canteen and just sat there and observed people without interfering with their work, like natural observation. We used time-based and event-based recording. We took notes using our phone. In our phone, we took notes and we didn't do any interaction with the participant. And we maintained the ethical principles, like we didn't add their names or anything, like we didn't judge them. So that was our observation method. Okay, next is okay. So the general observation result was we saw like the interaction between students and the sellers were really polite, and I guess nowadays because of the age of technology and phone, most of the students were focused on the phones. But still, some of the students were having like a group conversation with their friends as they are eating, and you see like vendors showed like really friendly and professional behaviors, and also the environment, even though it was chaotic, the uh, environment was really calm and comfortable, as because it was a canteen, so it was also a bit casual. Also, people were talking with about anything. So yeah, it was also a little bit overwhelming if for a observation field, because there are a lot of things going on, but it wasn't that, like it was normal as per I can say. Okay, next. Okay, observation example. Okay. A student politely greeted the seller and ordered food. Seller confirmed the, so observation example was like a student went to the seller like to buy, for example, maybe mee goreng or maybe nasi, then greeted the seller with a smile and ordered the food. Then seller confirmed the order with a positive response, and other students nearby showed different behavior, like some were using their phone, someone was just eating in a little bit hurry, maybe they have class next, and some were discussing like with group discussion about like daily conversation or maybe their assignment, and some were just sitting there and doing like a task or something like that alone. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, so I did like three: observation method, general observation result, and observation example.
And then
The
uh,
rest. we can give them to the others.
Oh yeah, thanks.
And now there is behavioral patterns. First, individual behavior, phone use, waiting, silent eating, and then social behavior, conversations, polite communication, and then there is emotional expression, smiling and nodding, and the last is no conflict or negative behavior observed. There is ethical consideration, no personal identities record, observation conduct in a public space, no manipulation or intervention, respect for privacy and dignity.
And for the conclusion, to conclude, the field observation conducted at the PI canteen revealed various forms of human behavior in a natural public setting. We observed both individual behaviors, such as using mobile phones and eating quietly, as well as social behaviors like polite communication and group discussions. These behaviors appeared naturally without any intervention, showing how people interact comfortably in everyday environments. This observation helps us understand that field observation is an important psychological method that improves our analytical and assessment skills. Observing real life situations also strengthen our understanding of human behavior beyond theoretical concepts. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.